fundamentally if you look at film is all about editing out everything and showing only what you wanted to show, because there is a frame and you can actually control what you wanted to show, correct? So with technology, how can you enhance that frame is what we keep looking at it. As a tool, definitely it's going to be there. It is like, I remember somebody is asking me about computers 20 years back. So what will happen to animation with computers, right? So that time people who are doing traditional animation felt computer is going to destroy animation. But actually it came, it evolved, people adapted, and a lot of disturbances happen, lot of mistakes happen. But people will learn how to use that tool, and then we'll come up with something really fantastic. And that's how I see any technology or tool. Usually academic board is seen as, okay, we develop some framework where everybody will come, learn and go, correct? Presently the situation is not exactly like that. That used to be the past. Presently when the things are changing, correct? We are not in a position to really tell them you learn it like this, correct? So we need to make a framework where we have to even pick up from people come also, correct? So how do you adapt and how do you keep that excitement in people to be in a place and keep moving up, correct? So it's really, if you ask me, it's more of directing and guiding than actually spoon feeding. Traditionally, education and learning means you go, you hear, you study and you move forward, correct? So now the current scenario, I see it as learning is not going to stop, correct? So before there used to be, in our generation, we used to think, okay, you go to a school, you learn something, then you practice and your life is set, correct? So right now it's like, it is an opening into a world, correct? And as you're practicing your profession, things will change and there is a lot of learnings has to happen. So the way students have to imagine is, education is not going to finish with this 4 or 5 years of course. It is in a career, it's a lifelong process, because if you want to be in the career, you need to be keep learning and you need to be keep adapting. And that's where the change I will say to the students to look forward to.